Hello, greetings from Axanta Business Solutions. In this video tutorial, we shall be knowing about the analytical accounts in Axanta ERP. So, to go to the analytical accounts, you need to go to the menu, click on this finance module, and under common forms you can find analytical accounts. So, we'll click here, and as you can see, these are some of the analytical accounts that we have created in the system. So, analytical accounts is nothing but a cost center and the profit center. So, as you can see, we have created some of the accounts like head office, shop 1, shop 2, shop 5, and so on. So, let's say you have a business in which you have 10 different shops. So, for that, you do not need to create a product sales account for each shop in the chart of accounts. Instead, you can create an analytical account for these shops. So, let's assume that you want to make an analytical account for your shop 10. So, for that, you just need to click on this create button. Here, you can enter the analytical account name. So, we'll enter shop 10 and you need to just click on save. So this is how you can create an analytical account in Axanta ERP.